I already told y'all that my edge brush is dirty, so if you're looking at my edge brush right now, you're done.
Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK. Reluctantly, cause most of this press don't fuck with me. The style once said, tell me cool down, don't act a fool now.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ari. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got my hair like this. Slick to the gods. But believe it or not, I only use 2 products in this whole video. I'm trying to put y'all on. So you don't need a blow dryer, a lawnmower, and a flat iron just to get your hair like this. If you want to achieve this look, stay tuned for my video. I'm starting off with freshly washed and blow dried hair. I already washed my hair, I blow dried my hair, and I deep conditioned my hair, and I put in leave-in conditioner. 2 products I'm using are Eco, the argan oil, and I'm going to be using Edge Booster in the strawberry scent. First off, if you're doing this on freshly clean hair, you just want to go through your hair and, you know, detangle it. So your hair is all detangled, and put it in a big ponytail. I'm gonna get my rat tail comb, and I'm gonna take the tail part, and I'm just gonna section off a section of my hair, small section, straight across. This is the first section. This is going to be the first part I'm going to be slicking down. I'm going to go in with my Edge Booster first, and I'm just gonna take like this much, not a lot, but just put it around the very perimeter. Get your brush. I use a 2-sided brush, and my brush has a hard side and a soft side. I always use the hard side because I feel like the hard side, it gets my hair more slick. So I'm just going to brush down from the roots, brushing all that Edge Booster down, and trying to mold my hair as much as possible. You're just gonna take a little bit more Edge Booster, literally a little bit, not too much, and just add a little bit more to the middle part of your hair, like the shaft, if that makes sense. Again, just brush this down, get the under part, and then now you just want to get your scrunchie and just tie it up. This is the ponytail. As you can see, I try to get all the hairs in there. Under hair is not as slick as I want it to be, but at the end I'm just gonna go back and re-slick that. You just want to pull it so it's as tight as possible. We're going to part off another part. I recommend starting from right here, like splitting your hair down the middle and just parting it to the left and parting it to the right. Again, the parts don't need to be perfect. You just need to be able to section off your hair. So for this part, you just want to repeat this step. Again, you take your Edge Booster, you take your little section, you apply it to the very beginning of the roots on your hair. Just a little bit on each part. Take your brush, the hard side, not the soft side, the hard side. And again, you just want to brush the product through. You're not trying to mold it, you're just brushing it through your hair, making it sure it gets down all sides of your hair. Brushing it down, and now is where you start to mold. So you just want to brush it into that first ponytail you made. You just want to make sure this is all smooth. You take another ponytail and you just band that up. This is the back. And now we're going to move on to the next layer. Again, you're just going to part it, the thin part around your head, section off a very thin part. You can tie back up the remaining sections of your hair. And then you want to take this part. Again, take your Edge Booster. You take a good amount. You apply it, going in with some more if you need it. If you don't use extra gel, honestly, y'all, because it will make your hair white. Then you take your hard edge of the brush once more. You brush the product down your hair. You're not molding it yet, you're just brushing it. Go to the back, brush it. Go to the sides, brush it. Now is when you want to start molding. You just want to brush that back into the last ponytail that you made. Make sure it's smooth. Get a ponytail and just tie that right on the last ponytail you made. Now, here's what I would normally go on my edge brush, and I would just take a little bit more of the gel and just apply it right here to just secure all the flyaways that are right here. And just do that on the other side too, because we're getting closer to the front of our hair, and I don't know about y'all, but the front of my hair is shorter than the rest of my hair. I'm just gonna secure all the short hairs in the back. Try my best to have it slick in the back, and then just pulling this apart to make it tight and secure. Next, we're just gonna repeat that step over and over and over. For this, I'm not gonna explain, I'm just gonna do it, and I'll come back when I need to.
I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me. Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch, wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill, always talk about keep it real, only till you've had your fill, then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise to love again, If you can take my hand.
Okay, now I'm back for the very last few sections of my hair. As you can see, I done did every other part. Now it's just time for the front. I'm gonna section this section off into another two. I'm just gonna do what I do normally, just add that gel, and then I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of eco because I really want the top of my hair to be slick, and I'm trying to have minimal waves. So take a little bit of eco, literally just dip your finger in here and take it out, put it in the palm of your hand, rub that in, put that on your hair, then just brush this down. Make sure it's smooth into this ponytail, and then you just want to get a ponytail and hold it down, and then it's slick. For the last part, same thing. Take this part out, get your your edge booster, get it all around the perimeter of your hair. I'm putting it on my edges. You can just put on your edges because you're gonna pull out your edges. Again, dip your finger in and take it out. Tiniest bit of eco, put that on your hand, rub that in, rub that, and then you just want to brush this through. You're not slicking it back yet, you're just brushing it through, and then slowly and gradually you're just gonna want to slick that back as well. You're not tying it yet because you're just gonna take a little bit more edge booster, a little bit more edge booster, put it on the palm of your hand, rub that in, and just put it all on top. Again, just brush. I'll turn around and show you guys. Just brush that. And then you're just gonna wanna make sure it's all molded, and take your last bands and tie it around. And then for the sides of your hair, just take a little bit of edge booster right here. Take your edge brush, and don't come into my edge brush. I know my edge brush is dirty. Just brush this back. Take a little bit more edge booster, get under here, and just brush this up. For me, I'm not doing too much. I'm just gonna do like a little bun. Now that my hair is all slicked, as you can see, all slicked, now I'm gonna do my edges. For my edges, I use my edge booster, of course. I'm just gonna pull out my edges first. I'm just gonna pull these out. I'm going to take my edge booster and add a little bit. Before I start swooping it, I'm like I do with my ponytail, I'm just gonna brush it out. Brush it out on this side. Make sure it's slick. And then I'm just gonna start swooping it. Y'all, this is hard to do on camera because usually I just on my mirror and I'm doing it, but just brush it and swoop, brush and swoop, and then brush that back into the ponytail. Again, you swoop it and then right back into the ponytail. Okay, so this is the final product. I lied, this is not the final product. The very last step would be take some Eco. Again, dip your finger in a little bit. You should have this much Eco on your finger. That's all you need. Rub it onto your hand a little bit and just put it over your edges in the same motion. Don't rub it in. Put it over your edges in the same motion. Take the remaining bit and put it in your hair. And then you want to tie your scarf, let it sit, and I'll come back with the final result. This is the final result. Pretty laid. I mean, you know, I wasn't going for nothing too much, but this is the final. This is the 360. Again, the products, the only products that I used are the red argan oil, the pink edge booster. Y'all should smell that. Smell that. Yo, smell this. You smell that? This smells so good. This smells amazing. Thank you guys for watching this video so much. Let me know down below if you tried this method of sectioning your hair, because do you see how flat my hair is? Hold on, I don't think you see how flat my hair is. You see this? But let me know if you tried this method. If you do, tag me on Instagram because I want to see. Because I'm telling y'all, I'm trying to put y'all on. If your slick back was having a hump in it, and if it still has a hump in it after watching this video, come to me. I will help you. Thank you guys for watching this video so much. I'll be back next Friday with another video. I appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys have a good day.